Just step outside into nature and you've entered the oldest pharmacy in the world. And it's available for everyone and it's free. Whether it's the beach or the forest or the mountains or a park, it lowers your cortisol. It takes down your stress. One very powerful thing that you can do, one amazing tool for health and longevity is grounding. It's literally walking barefoot. That's it. Ideally, walking barefoot on a natural ground. The earth carries a natural negative charge, which is electrons. Electrons are these subatomic particles that have a negative charge. And then when we all day walk around with our rubber shoes and Wi-Fi and our whole toxic lifestyle that we have developed with modern technology, we create free radicals. When we step on the earth, that negative energy literally neutralizes the free radicals. It's been shown to improve sleep, balance cortisol, and even affect heart rate variability, which is one of the markers of longevity.